to my channel. Please excuse my harried expression today. I just got home from work, but I wanted to film this unboxing video for you guys because I realized I hadn't done one in quite a while. It's not going to be a long unboxing, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So a couple of days ago, I put in an order to Sam's Beauty. I needed some more hair because I've been wearing these, the Bobbi Boss Faux Lock Sole in the 8, 10, and 12 inch pack for about, I think, like a month. Maybe we just passed a month, going on to a month and a half, something like that. So I mean, I like them. You know, they look good. They do start to look better the longer you wear them, but I just felt like when it's time for me to wash this and do my henna treatment, that I wouldn't be able to reuse them just because of like how they are set up. You know, they're so fuzzy and there's so many little strands in it that it might just not look right. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I feel like totally far away from me. Okay, so anyway, I needed some new hair because I used pretty much all of the 2 packs of that Bobbi Boss Faux Lock Sole that I ordered the last time. So I don't have any more really to fill a whole head. So anyway, placed the order. Everything you're about to see I purchased myself. I did not receive anything from Sam's Beauty for it, so let's just get on with the video. So my hair that I'm going to replace this hair with is actually also by Bobbi Boss. I took this one out of the pack because I wasn't going to do the unboxing. Oh, I'm trying to get comfy, guys, sorry. I wasn't going to do the unboxing. I was just going to put these in their apple cider vinegar rinse that I do with all of my synthetic hair except for the easy braid. I was just about to put it in, so I took it out of the pouch, which is dropped somewhere just now. But anyway, I'm sticking with Bobbi Boss, and I picked the Bobbi Boss New Locks in the 18-inch length. They had a 14-inch, but they didn't have any of the colors that I wanted. So here is the navy blue. So this is the New Locks. Looks like that's focusing because I got a mirror behind it. And they are fairly long, but you can see they are much thinner than the ones I have in my hair right now. I mean, look at that. That's much thinner. Like I said, this is the navy blue color, which I am so happy that I did get. I don't know if the color will show up well on camera. Hopefully it will, but really you cannot see that this hair is navy blue. Like looking at it here in this light, I can kind of tell it's blue, but not nearly as much as I thought it might be. I was kind of worried when I ordered it, but it just looks so pretty on the site that I couldn't resist it. Blue is one of my favorite colors, especially dark blue, and this one looks like it is made with more 1B than just navy. So this is, to me, it's going to be a very good like highlight fun color in my hair. It said on the website that each one comes with 21 strands, and that looks about right. It feels like it's about 21 strands. They are fairly hard. Definitely, since they're wound tighter and they're smaller, they definitely feel harder than these more fluffy fat coils, but I'm still looking forward to using them. You guys can see there, they are just strung on a little piece of like bread tie, whatever, and that's what I'm going to take it off from. Nothing new, you guys have seen them all before, but yeah, that's the 18-inch. I think I would definitely even like order this and do like most of my head in this. Then I got 1B, which, I mean, let's do it side by side here. Okay, based on what I can see, yeah, you can kind of tell that the 1B is darker than the navy blue, but I think they'll look, yeah, they're going to look nice. Oh yeah, when you have them next to each other, you can tell that one is definitely not black and one is, if that makes any sense. Please excuse me, guys, I am tired, but let's see if that is coming out at all. I think I can kind of see that, but I'm looking forward to it either way. I got a second pack of 1B just in case the navy blue was too much and I didn't like it. And then I also got a pack of the the M1B slash dark green, because I love this color. This one looks, I think this looks greener than when I had the faux lock sole in the longer length a couple of months ago, or like a year ago. It looks definitely more green, whereas before it had a lot of blue strung into it. I guess it still does, but they definitely look like really green. So I don't know how much of this I will have in my hair. I might just do a couple of pops here and there. I talked about it with my boss a while ago when I first had the faux lock sole, and I had the green, the purple, the gray, and she didn't care. So I'm not worried about it, but I'm glad I have the 1B and I have the navy, just to keep it a little bit toned down. So I went onto their buy one get one free section that Sam's Beauty always has, and I got some of these hair decoration filigree tubes. And like I said, it was buy one get one free, so I got it in the silver. I wish they would let you pick, like, I want a silver and I want a gold to split the buy one get one free, but they didn't. This is pardon me, this is the medium size, which is exactly what I wanted. I wasn't sure at first, but I think the larger size would definitely work more for these faux lock sole than for these new locks. I'm gonna leave a link down below to Jazz Nicole's video, where she did the method that I actually put these in my hair with, because funny enough, in that video she uses the new locks, so you guys will be able to actually see, like, what does it look like to put it in using that method. I have to say, I made a video about this hair installation before. I'll link that down below too, but it was so easy to do. I haven't felt like I've had any tension on my scalp. I want to take it out right now just because I want to try something new, and because now I know that I can do it with this method. I'm just so tempted. I want to just take these out. I'll probably look at my calendar and see how long it's been since I actually put them in, because I don't like to just put in a style and then just toss it out, like as if I just, you know, don't care and it doesn't bother me. So I'm going to check on that, but more than likely I will be taking these out soon. If I can save them when I take them out, I will, but if not, I mean, what can you do? So then another thing I got, I just picked up a few little things because I really didn't need much, but I just wanted to get a couple things that I knew I really liked. So one of those, I've showed this to you guys in I think in my last Sam's Beauty haul probably, is this 24-hour edge tamer from Eben. It's the Extreme Firm Hold, and it's the one that smells like grapes. Like it smells like grape Jolly Rancher and all that good stuff. I had picked this up before a while ago, and I used the whole little jar of it. I have not been able to find it where I live, so when I saw that it was there, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get some. It is extremely good. It does wonders for the edges. When I was putting in my individual braids before, I used that just to make it slick so that I could braid it on, and it really kept my hair nice and neat, and I don't feel like it made my hair fall out or anything. Don't mind, the dog is outside, right outside my window. So I think the price of that was like $2.49. The filigree tubes were either $1. I think they were $1. Sam's Beauty didn't send an itemized thing, so I don't remember, but I will put the link to each product in this video down below. So the next things I got these sticks. It's 100% cocoa butter stick. I used to have this when I was younger. Hopefully it'll focus. I got 3 of them just because they were $1, and there's an upcoming project that I'm working on for my my bath shop. I do have a bath shop on Etsy right now. It's called Kim's Bath Shop .etsy.com. I'll put a link down below. So there's an upcoming project that I want to do with it, and I remember that these are like just pure cocoa butter that you can just use up. Oh gosh, that's like a blast from my past. And so I just saw, Sam's Beauty's got it, I will get some, and hopefully it is, yeah, the only ingredient in it is cocoa seed butter. Yeah, cocoa sea butter. So I got 3 of those. And then I also, I think this is my last thing. Yeah, my last thing that I picked up was this African Formula black soap. It is the shea butter and aloe vera version. Yeah, African Formula. So you guys can see that. I have been using, I was using another black soap. I can't remember the name of it, but it wasn't this brand. Oh, it's not even black. It's not even black. I'm pretty sure I can remember my mom getting me this one as a kid. Like, I remember this box. Either I had it or my older sister had it. I can't remember right now, but I know I've seen this box in my mother's house. So I picked this up because my husband really enjoys the black soap. The black soap I had before, we just finished, and I also had the Shea Moisture one. He just likes it. He says it helps him feel really clean, and it just takes all the dirt away, but he doesn't make his skin feel dry. So since they had that one, I think that was like $1.49. I picked it up, and it's very hard for me to find stuff like this that I could easily find in Brooklyn here in Eastern Washington. It is very difficult to find. So I just said, let me grab it. Altogether, everything I showed came up to $36.81. The hair was, I think it was $6.99 a pack. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was $6.99 a pack. I'll put the link to it down below, like I said. Cocoa butter sticks were $1. The filigree tubes were $1. The Eben's Edge Tamer was like $2.49. And the soap, I think, was $1.49. And I think that's all I have. So overall, 4 packs of hair, 3 cocoa butter sticks, a black soap, buy one get one free filigree tubes, and Edge Tamer came up to $36.81. That was with shipping. Once you go over $30 on Sam's Beauty, you can use the $4.99 promo code to get $4.99 shipping only, which is very useful for me, because if I didn't use that, it would cost like $13 to get it to me. So I think when I put the promo code in first, I didn't have enough items, so that's why I added the second 1B pack of hair, just to bring me over that limit so that I could get that good shipping. So, you know, it's all about trying to make it easier for yourself. So I will do a video once I install those new locks, just so you guys can see it. If I'm not like doing it sporadically or just too chaotic when I actually put them in, then maybe I'll have my husband film a little bit of me putting it in, maybe finishing some of them. So we'll see. But I just wanted to do that unboxing, guys, just to show you what I got. And if you have any comments about any of these products, please let me know down below. Again, this hair was installed using the Jazz Nicole method. I don't know if she has like specific names or like designations for them, but it's the one where you take a piece of hair, split it, put the crochet lock down the piece of your hair, and then braid your hair, and basically the crochet is hanging from your braided hair. It's really ridiculous for me to explain it, so I'll just leave the link to it down below. But I want to definitely give credit where credit is due, and this is to me gonna be my hair method for the foreseeable future. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but my edges have really been growing back, and I think a main reason for that is that this method does not have any real tension on my hair in the front. So, you know, my hair is basically just braided on itself, and these are so light that them hanging off it really doesn't bother them at all. I've also been doing castor oil on my edges, maybe not every day, but definitely every other day. When I wake up in the morning, if they look kind of crazy, I brush them down with a toothbrush and go to work. And every other day, I put a little castor oil on that toothbrush and just brush it in. I have also put some Vicks on it. I put that on like a couple of nights ago, and then I just wiped it out with a cotton pad, wet with warm, basically hot water, just to break that up and get it off of there. So anyway, my hair is loving it. I am looking forward to putting in these new locks. I'm gonna go ahead, put them in the bucket to wash them with the apple cider vinegar, just so that I can have them dry and ready if I decide to do it this weekend, or if I decide to not do it, whenever. So thank you so much for watching this one, guys. I do have a lot of new content coming up. I know I always say that, but I actually do have some new content coming up because I'll leave a link down to, I think it was my latest blog. I talk about how my husband and I are trying to conceive after suffering a loss. So I'll be doing a video about that coming up soon, and you never know, keep your fingers crossed for me. Hopefully I'm pregnant right now and I can start doing pregnancy updates. Hopefully. But either way, I do have new content coming. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you. Thank you again so much for choosing to watch this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please leave a like. Everything will just help me out. If you have the chance, if you need any soap, please check out my bath shop. I have the soaps right now. I'm also going to have bath bombs, sugar scrubs, like solid sugar scrubs. So I guess you call them like sugar cubes or whatever. Sugar scrubs. What else? Oh my gosh, why is it going? Lotion bars. That's going to be my next thing. So please take a look at it. If you're on Etsy already, like the shop, because it would just help me out and make me very happy and give me some encouragement, because I actually love making soap. Who knew that I would love making soap? But I love making soap. So anyway, guys, let me stop rambling. I gotta go. I'll see you really soon, hopefully with a positive pregnancy test in my hand. But I will see you soon, guys. Bye.